over a ticket. He's gonna go to prison over a ticket.
What's up, boy?
What's up?
Chillin'.
How you doing?
What are you painting right here today?
18 Ultima, rear end.
Rear end? Oh, nice.
Pretty big accident.
Yeah, nice little setup you have here.
Appreciate that.
So, picking up Devin's girls S2000 today, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It looks good.
Appreciate that.
Well, you want to give a shout out to your shop again?
Yeah, Winter Circle Paint and Body, 54th Avenue. Come and see us.
Sweet, man. You got a phone number to show there too?
727-329-8814.
Alright, cool. Now let's go check this out. Nice. Looks good, man. Good. Carbon fiber right there. Nice. Just wash it up a little bit. Always come in this. Jesus, watch your mouth, girl. We know you're gangster.
S1 family.
So we got a what? What we got here? What's good, dog?
Mercedes diesel van.
For a new touring van.
Yep, exactly. Definitely. Maybe some fat tires.
Yeah, don't worry, we're gonna hook it up. Check it out. This is the before, guys. You're gonna see what's gonna look after. Damn, pimping. Look at this seat. Nice. Dude, check out the van.
Better. Oh, this one's
Very nice. Oh man, this is
Wow.
this is like an official.
These seats are comfy.
Got an EF hatch in. Finishing up another all-wheel drive kit install. Has a rear diff mount, a lower control arm, or forks. Everything going on here. Everything looks nice. You got the braces up. There's another one in the books. Coming together.
Social media is now a thing. And then third,
Drive shafts in. Almost got this done. We're just gonna bring it to a certain level for the customer. Smooth under the rest, but the whole thing is in right now.
You come back to your hometown and you throw an event that
Check this out, guys. Typical Saturday. Busy as usual. We got mad stuff going on. Grizzy is over here tearing down a BMW. Oil pan. JD's over here just flexing. Yep. It's like a mega job at BMW, a mega job. But you know, we got Grizzy here. Jay-Z tech, BMW tech, Tesla tech, everything tech. Man, all rounder. And Jamaican, you see?
Yeah.
Was there like a bag of bolts in there somewhere?
A what?
Did you see like one of these bags that kept filled with bolts?
I did not, but I'll double check.
We're getting this Acura motor here ready. Got an all-wheel drive trans on it. Going into the AWD Sentra.
Figuring out this kind of a cheapo power steering AC delete kit with no instructions. They just give you a box full of that.
Say here.
They say here.
You buy it here. You want instructions too?
Yeah. That costs extra, right?
Right.
Yeah. But it came together. Got this bracket down here for the. This is usually where your AC compressor is, and the alternator is usually up here. So this puts the alternator down here. Kind of keeps it close to the engine, and this is going to be a full drag car, so no AC, no power steering, no nothing.
Nice, you got an all-wheel drive tran on there.
Yep, we got the all-wheel drive tranny, thanks to a little trading I just did with Son this morning.
Hey, you're in the shop, hey?
Yeah, so we're going to turn it on, NA, that's the goal, turn it on NA.
Yeah.
I'm not going to change a single thing, because we want to just try to get it running.
Yeah.
Try to work the you know, the custom system, and then once the custom sensor system gets put on, all the power, then we build a turbo kit. No, well, I'm gonna do, you know, I want to do, you know, the goal is to do a nice center feed and stuff like that. So
Nice.
so we're not gonna use this, but we're going to use the OEM. We're actually using, this is a EK mount kit. So we're gonna use an EK mount kit.
Yeah.
And we're going to take,
How tight do you want this, Jack?
hold on, let me check it. We're actually gonna take these two pieces from the EK
Yeah.
and basically use this to our advantage and re-weld them. So basically, we're gonna like weld one to the frame here.
Yeah.
Somewhere, and then one of these will be welded to the frame
And then you just
on
same
that side.
one,
Yeah,
okay.
so every time we do the motor, you'd have to, these would be stuck in the car,
Okay,
and you'd
cool.
have to unbolt the motor mounts to hit the motor. But the cool thing about this car is we're gonna try to just utilize this.
To build something around it, right?
Or yeah,
With
or
it,
someone
use it,
even
yeah.
said that even if we didn't want to use that, we might make a detachable, we might put a flat plate up here, make like a detachable plate.
And taking everything out.
You got to, man. That's the only way to go through the firewall.
Oh, okay. Or are you trying to get rid of all that harness, complete harness?
Yeah, because we're gonna switch it with the RSX harness. So he's gonna run all RSX.
Full RSX, right?
Full
Inside,
RSX,
outside,
yeah.
everything. That's
Because there's
good.
no point of using this and we have to worry about cutting nothing. We
Yeah.
can literally just take all the wires from the RSX
Yeah.
and put into here, and that's it. And just try to configure a lot of obviously the connectors and stuff. But other than that, it should run the same.
It's gonna be a definite one-off business going on right here. Still can't test the Jay-Z. Is he right?
That's what
You gonna play catch up.
Look what we got here. We got a K20
Yep.
all-wheel drive
Mm-hmm.
and a Nissan. We all doing it just because of this Nissan guy here.
Right.
Hold on, look, look, look.
He's repping both worlds.
Okay. We're gonna convert him.
You want to why you take the roof, take the
Yeah,
thing
take that off.
You need 10s. Just take
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good.
take this muffin
Yeah,
off. 12s, whatever. Oh man, look at this. This is like history right here. Look at this right here. Let me get my phone too. My phone.
And go delete.
We're gonna take the transfer case off.
Okay. Well, we're gonna use the Honda.
I mean, think about it. Look how far we're gonna redo it anyway.
Chad's busting up the
I'm not
transfer
redoing it.
case coming off because
You
it
don't
like,
wanna
feel like
clean
it
it,
won't
please?
fit this way, so we're gonna. Alright, here it comes.
Slowly. Jack it up a little bit.
Jack it
up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to brace it against here and here, but it ain't gonna work.
Alright, wait.
Good?
Yeah,
No, up a little bit more, up a little bit more. No, I'm gonna see how much lower that is.
No.
Because we did it like this way. It might be better this way. Wait, how many? That's fine. Just let us rest. It's got to be like this. It's got to be, yeah, like a tilted a little bit like this. Okay, so take this out. Take this out. Cut all that stuff out. Move all the plate on here.
Can you put some more tension on this?
Move all the plate on here.
Okay, that's good right there.
On the bottom here, and then we're gonna use this hole. We're gonna use this hole, and then
And
there's
just
one more
screw
right
it
here,
in.
and then we'll use that as a bolt on. So
Nice.
that one will be done, and then this one here we do.
These off, all these tabs.
Yeah, we're gonna cut all that
Cut
tab
that
off,
straight across.
and then we could probably use these also. These right here, wherever it's at, we could probably use these as a mounting, and then we could probably weld this on here.
Right
somewhere.
onto this.
Yeah.
Somehow.
No, we can cut all that off. So all we're gonna use is only
The flat part.
this part here, and then if you cut all the way across like this, just cut it all the way across and cut this.
And then cut this straight.
Yep, cut this. Yeah, cut this like this. And it will work for that. Yeah. So right here, as you can see, we got everything. It's just sitting in here, as you can see. So, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this. We cut this part off here, so we're gonna weld it, get everything all lined up nicely and all that.
Yeah.
The motor's still got to come up a little bit higher.
right?
We still got room back there, so we're gonna push it back, just a little bit here. We're gonna push it back more, about maybe half an inch.
You're still gonna use that rear mount piece right there.
Correct. So we're gonna
Incorporate.
use RT brackets because this is the We were worried about that it might be hitting, but we got plenty of room here. And then where this one here, we're gonna build a bracket on here.
I'll play it up top there.
Yeah, where the mount goes here, and then our T bracket's gonna go right onto here. So that's what we're doing. But we're trying to get, once we get done with all that stuff over there, we can put this on the lift. Then we could actually measure out the, you know, the
Everything
angles and everything, you know. So, but right now we just wanted to see what was needed. If it could be done as far as with these mount what we need to modify. So it looked like it will work.
Oh, it will work.
Yeah,
Chat with him gonna stop. Dude, work.
Yep.
Transfer case put back in.
Drag car though. This isn't gonna be
Total
pretty,
drag
pretty
car.
drive.
No,
Yeah,
no.
Hey, no.
It's gonna be semi.
Hey, no bushings. Everything welded.
All that bullshit he's always talking about, it won't be pretty. No, this car's gonna be pretty, because if it ain't pretty, it ain't coming out.
Yep.
So it's JD's turn. Tell the camera, JD. Tell the camera. You want a pre-lube?
Yes.
Fifth
what he
gen.
said.
Yeah. Me and JD going 5th gen, right?
4th gen.
I think I want a 4th gen. You can be the 5th gen.
Okay.
That way we're still Prelude brothers, but that way I have the nicer gen.
JD, maybe we should do
Whatever.
your Prelude different instead of like where everyone's like all-wheel drive. Let's do like S2000 Prelude.
I would love a rear-wheel drive Prelude.
Oh, that'd be.
That would be more. That would be fun.
Yeah, that'd be.
You're the same
Because
guy
if you think about it,
$50,000 on an Evo, so let's do this.
I know. Evo
and
King.
if you
No
think
NSX
about it,
King.
if you think about it, if you did a rear-wheel drive one, it's still utilizing all S1
Products. Yeah.
products in the back, which just not in the front. We're just kick.
Yeah, kick.
Yeah, so this thing is coming.
I like it.
Bollywood. Yeah. Look at her. Always eating. Always. We're gonna Integra up in your 4-door DB8. Getting that all-wheel drive kit. Just up in here working today, welding and my youth's up. Yeah, boy. Jade and Jay is knocking this one out.
Every time he looks at me,
Coming together. This one's yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. After you get it all drive, what are you gonna do to it?
Huh?
After you get it all drive, you gotta do anything to the engine or something like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna turbo it.
Boost it?
Yeah, boost it.
Oh, this is a 4-door.
Yeah,
That's nice, man. You go from mega power, just like mega power, or just like 500 horsepower. You want basic?
Try to aim 1,000.
1,000.
Try to send it out to full piston.
Oh, you gonna get the bottom down, the whole
No, the
long
whole
block?
engine. They got a power, the 1,000 package.
Yeah, they got 1,000 package, right? Long block.
The whole thing, the block and the engine.
Yeah, that's
Shipping
nice.
the engine
That's
out.
nice, man. That's nice. Let me check it out.
We get welding up this part right here. That's for the diff to clearing, and we provide this with a kit because of for strength. We want to, we don't want to just cut it and leave it like that.
Yeah.
And the same thing here, all that. So he's almost done with all this. Just a couple more spot here, but you can see this is where the diff mount bolts up here. We got that. We got to weld this on. Like we always say, we recommend you welding it. Even though this is a bolt-on style,
Yeah.
recommend welding it because we actually seen this thing rip apart.
Rip apart, right?
Yeah, especially trying to bolt this on with the rib nut or whatever you want to call it. But what we do is we use it just for reference. So once we get it, everything tack on, tack, we take it back out and then we weld it, and then we weld this to the chassis. Yep.
And he's gonna Alpha 6 too, right? On these?
Yeah, he's getting the Alpha 6 arms. These are pretty much ready.
Oh, yep. He's getting the goodness.
Yep. So,
What up, brother?
What's up, Blair? How you been, man?
You come and help Rush? You gonna be here all night?
You be here all night, huh?
and then he's also getting the LCA. He's getting the whole work. This one's getting everything. The camber, the new camber. And then he's getting the toe also. Oh, and then the bill of forks.
Or he's getting everything.
Yeah, so everything. And then eventually when he gets his tranny in, we're gonna make his dry shaft for him with the Freelander vicious coupler.
Yeah, right.
With the 13-pin slip joints and all that.
Everything, right?
And then we're gonna do his fuel cell for him with an in tank with our hangers and all that and everything. So,
And guys,
stay tuned.
more to come for this car. 4-door DB8, right? What's up, Justin? What's up? You guys seen his EF hatch? He's picking it up. Hey man,
How are you?
chilling.
What's up? What's up? You? All ready to go, right?
Almost sweating it out.
I know.
Yo, this EF hatch, as you guys see, we already done everything to it. Whole kit's on this car right now.
Hey, I can't.
He's gonna be ripping this car. Definite. You guys can see it's all done. I mean, it's over here in the grass. I'm bending down, but yeah, everything's done. 4 wheels spinning, but he's not gonna start it up because some stuff need to be done to it as well. Hey, what's the plan for this car? Drag or just like?
It's autocross.
Autocross?
Street, show car.
Okay.
A little bit of drag, but nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy. Oh,
You know,
nice.
just enjoy it. Try to keep a stock OEM look to it. And
High revs, right? High revs.
yeah.
He's got that old school going, just like him.
Yeah, man, nice little EF hatch here. It's gonna be look out for it in the circuit. You're gonna be doing grid life and all that stuff. Grid life. You're gonna be doing the grid life series.
I mean,
Anything that pops up. Cause you go everywhere.
yeah, like
pretty
I'm
much.
gonna go to the firm over in Ocala.
Up north, yeah.
And yeah, just go to Showtime Speedway, race a little bit.
Yeah.
And,
Nice.
you never know. I don't want to go on YouTube.
Yo, look at our homeboy Char from the Jersey. How many horsepower your car got over there in Jersey? 1,000, 2,000?
Yeah, on low boost it'll be around 1300.
Jersey to Florida horsepower.
Yeah.
Jersey horsepower 2,000. A Honda over here in Florida 500 horsepower beat you. 4-wheel gripping.
I'll build on this.
He said he'll build one day, maybe.
Yeah, you should, bro. When you coming out here to visit us?
Hopefully in a couple months.
Man, look in the camera, say hi, wave to the people.
Wait to the video.
Ah.
Am I wearing your shirt? I'm wearing an S1. I'm wearing S1 collab right now.
Oh, you wearing the shirt?
Oh, repping. New Jersey repping. You see that? New Jersey, Mario.
You gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel